Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a big question many men ask. How can I make my penis longer? Let's talk with real medical facts, not myths. 1. Can you naturally increase penis length? No. After puberty, the penis does not grow longer naturally. No. Pills, oils, gels, creams, massage, gelking, stretching, herbs can increase permanent size. These are marketing myths. 2. What can increase size a little? Real science. A. Lose lower belly fat. This is the #1 effective natural way to make it look longer. Fat around the pubic area covers part of the base. Losing 5 to 10 kilograms can make the penis look 1 to 2 centimeters longer. B. Stronger, harder erections. A penis becomes longer when the erection is full. You can improve this by daily exercise, good sleep, low sugar diet, no smoking, less stress, Kegel exercises, better blood flow, stronger erection, maximum length. 3. Kegel exercise, 100% safe and effective for performance. Makes erections harder and increases staying power. How to do it? Tighten the muscles you use to stop urine flow. Hold 3 seconds. Relax 3 seconds. Do 20 reps times 3 sets/day. Results in 4 to 8 weeks. For gelking and stretching exercises, warning. These can cause bruising, vein damage, erectile dysfunction, loss of sensation, curvature, Peyronie's disease. Doctors strongly advise not to do them. 5. Enlargement surgery? Dangerous, expensive, and does not add big size. Most men gain only 1 to 2 centimeters, but risk nerve damage, erectile dysfunction, infections, deformity. Doctors recommend it only in very rare medical cases. 6 ways to make it look bigger, no risk. These tricks actually help. Trim pubic hair, increases visible length. Lose belly fat. Improve posture. Stronger erections, Kegels plus fitness. Proper lighting during intimacy. Confidence, most attractive.